Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to delete part of an image in Photopea software. So get ready started. At first open your Photopea software. Now you can see, then we show delete part of image. Now we going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and play option. Now you can see, then you show the now you can see, now select from any picture. Now click for open option. Now you open the picture. Now resize your picture. Now click for confirm option. Now you can see delete part of image. Now going to the layer menu option. Now click from mouse right button. Then click from rasterize option. Now you can see, then you show the tool option. Then we show the move mini tool. Now click from radical select option. Now select your part of picture. Now keyboard press from delete. That it's. Now we going to the move tool option. Now you can see delete part of image in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.